Do you want to hear a common Irish word with a unique twist? Well, the word Galánta is used in Donegal a lot, but in southwest Donegal we've another meaning for it, which is funny or strange. So usually in southwest Donegal we would say the Galánta, elegant clothing, something nice. But other places in Donegal they would say use it for the weather, to Hampshire Galanta, to be a Galanta. Well, we wouldn't say that in southwest Donegal. But the other meaning we have then is Vishna ar Galanta. That means he was a funny man. As well, I heard my own people say Tashan Galanta, meaning that's funny or that's strange. So just an unusual twist to the word. So I was going to look up a dictionary, old dictionary here. So come with me and we'll look up the origin of it. So this is a lovely old dictionary, Folklore Gaelic agus Berla, La Reverend Patrick Deneen, Níjig Seachtas Fihe, 1927. So I have Galanta marked out here. This is the only dictionary I found the meaning that we have for it. So Galanta, gallant, fine, decent, generous, but here also peculiar. So there we have it. There's the meaning we have as well. So CA or VOC is the reference. So I'm just going to go to that. So here we go. It's CA or Poems of Caroline, 1916. So there you have it. Tasha Jas Ekel a Glaw Marajera. Nice to see it in print and that it was said, and it's still said to this day. So maybe you wouldn't hear it too often though.